angels. I don't like angels.
Hi, angels. Hi, scholars. How are you?
Good.
All right. This is Mrs. Sexton, and these are my scholars, or my angels, as they want me to call them. Not because they're perfect, but because they like the baseball team, I guess. All right.
Ryan.
Hey, guys, we're not saying names in our video. Okay, so this is a picture of a swimming pool, and I'm so excited for summertime and for the swimming. Now, what color is the perimeter of my swimming pool?
Black.
Good. So we're going to find the perimeter of our swimming pool. And how do we find this distance all the way around our swimming pool? Who knows?
Well, so, like, usually there's, like, little squares, and we count the squares.
Is that how we find the perimeter? No. How do we find the perimeter?
Add up all the sides.
We add up all the sides. So we add 4 plus 8, right? Oh, you want to sing the song?
Perimeter
goes around,
perimeter goes around. Oh, don't you know, perimeter goes around. You add up all the sides, you add up all the sides. Oh, don't you know, you add up all the sides.
Okay, so if we added up all the sides yet,
No.
what do we need to do?
Add
Plus 8, plus 4, plus 8.
We need to add another 4 and another 8 because that represents
The other side.
this side and this side. Good. Okay, so now that we have that, we can add 4 plus 4 plus 8 plus 8.
12 plus 12.
Well, we already know that 4 plus 4 is 8, so that's like 3 8s. What's 3 8s equal to?
24.
24. So we know that our perimeter is 24, and I'm going to go with, we don't know what our units are, but so we'll just call them 24 units. Awesome.
It's
All
not
right.
going to fit.
I know, right? It's not going to fit, so we got to make it smaller.
Oh my
Now,
God.
earlier, someone told me that to find our area, we normally count up all of the little squares.
Yep.
But there's no little squares in my swimming pool, so do you remember the new way we learned to find area?
You times the width and length.
Yeah, so we times the length of our pool times the width of our pool, and it's because it's like an array. So we have the length. What's the length of our pool? How long is it?
8.
8. And how wide is our pool?
4. Wait, for what?
For what?
Meters.
We don't know. It's units. Ooh, meters would be good. That would be a good sized pool.
4 units.
Yeah, let's call it meters. Let's say 8 meters and 4 meters. Okay, so what is 8 times 4?
32.
32. Is it 32 meters?
Yeah.
No.
Remember, area is always measured in those little
Squares.
Units.
So in this case, it's 32
Square units.
Don't forget that.
Wait, we know what our units are. What are our units?
Meters.
Meters. So we have 32 square meters is the area of my swimming pool.
Don't forget that.
You have because
Scholars, not every pool is a perfect rectangle. So this pool has a lot of interesting sides. It's kind of like an L shape. And so its perimeter, we could add up all the sides, except we don't know the value of all the sides, except one of my scholars here is telling me that that side is 7. Can you tell me why?
because you take the 4 up here and then you add up the 3.
Very good. See how this long side is the same length as this 3 side and this 4 side, and it's all in meters again. So we have 3 meters and 4 meters, so this long side is 7 meters. Does that make sense?
Wow.
Yes.
Nice job seeing that, my friend. That's one of my really smart scholars. Good job, smart scholar. All right, so now. Smart, well-behaved scholar. All right, so now we can find the perimeter by adding up
All the sides.
all the sides. So let's add up 7 plus 8
Plus
plus 4 plus 4
plus
4
3
plus 4.
plus 4 equals. All right, so 7 plus 8 is
15.
15 plus 4 is
19.
plus 4 more is
23.
plus 3
26.
Plus 4?
29.
30. It's
30.
29.
26 plus 4
Oh,
is equal to 30.
30 meters.
So 30 meters is our perimeter.
Wow.
Now, how do we find, let's make our perimeter small. Okay.
Oh my God.
How do we find, let's see, we gotta make that a little bigger.
East.
Gotta make my pool bigger.
East.
How do we find the area of this pool? But it's not a rectangle. It's not, there's no length times width. Does anyone see a way?
Oh, I know.
What?
So you do that place
Mm-hmm.
and that place.
Oh, so you're right. We do need to split this up into 2 different rectangles. So we can make it, what are you going to do, here or here?
Here.
Okay, here. So we can split this up into this rectangle and this square. Oh, I like how you saw that it's a square. So first let's find the area of the little square. The length is
4 times 4.
and the width is 4. So what's 4 times 4 is
16.
So our area there is 16. Now we can find the area of this bigger rectangle
4 times
right
7.
here. That's 4 times 7, which is 28. Now to find the area of the whole pool, we have to add 16
plus 28 equals 39.
What's 8? What's 10 plus 20?
That's not 39. It's
30. 30?
10 plus 20 is 30.
44.
And what's 6 plus 8?
44.
What's 6 plus 8? 14. So that equals
44.
Area is always measured in
Meter. Square units.
So this is
Square
meters.
meters.
So the area of this pool is 44 square meters.
Raise your hands.
Here's your teacher. High five. What's our question?
What is the area and perimeter of the figure?
It's a swimming pool. What's the area and the perimeter of this pool? We will make it be, once again, in
Meters.
That's a big pool.
Yeah, it is a big pool.
10 meters.
Now,
Perfect for the
let
summer.
me give you guys a hint. When you find the area, you're going to have to split it into
9 million.
these different parts so you can find the area of 3 rectangles.
Oh my God.
You
So
can do it. All right.
You can do it.
no, wait. I'm gonna
Bring
write
it back for a
Teacher high five. Get a teacher high five.